How to change PIN for Samsung Blockchain Keystore on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus to the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down, and from here, tap on security and privacy. After that, we then scroll down. In here, tap on more security settings. Then scroll down and tap on Samsung Blockchain Keystore. Now in here, we tap on change PIN. So in here, say enter your Samsung Blockchain Keystore PIN, so the PIN that you currently use. And after that, now you can enter in a new PIN. So here I will go across. So 1, 2, 3, 6, 5, 4. 1, 2, 3, 6, 5, 4. And that's it. So we have now changed the PIN for Samsung Blockchain Keystore. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.